Hey, traders. Wait, look at this. Look at this. Hyperlane is, oh man, up 71% in the last 24 hours. Can you believe that? It's sitting around $0.16 right now, and the volume is just roaring. It's like you open a drawer you haven't touched in years, and suddenly everything's glowing at you. I mean, is this the start of a real bull run, or is it just a trap? I'm staring at the chart like, what are you trying to tell me? And if you followed our earlier analysis, oh gosh, you already saw this coming. Like spotting your old award tucked behind a stack of postcards you forgot even existed. Listen, for more setups like this, seriously, check out our Patreon. We just posted these fresh premium signals, like still warm, so you can stay ahead of the market. You can even hop in with the tester plan for just $10. The link's right there in the description and comments. Disclaimer, always do your own research. This is not financial advice. It's just me getting way too excited about charts again. Now, let's break it down.